Lifers, welcome back to another banger. So in today's video, I'm working with this brand. It's called Wavy My Hair, baby girl. So they sent me this beautiful curly bob. So I haven't worn curly bob in a long time ago. You know, this brand is very nice because they give you a mask. You know, in case your breath is hot, they give you a mask. You feel me? They also give you two wig caps. You feel me? Like two wig caps. Okay, so basically, alright, boom. Let me tell you. Come here. Come closer. So this is 180 density, guys. 180 density, 12 inches. This bigger than your men's, 12 inches. Anyways, guys, this is the closure. This is what it looks like when when they send it to you. The hair, it comes with clipping. This is what the closure will look like. Come here, come closer, you feel me? So it's up to you if you want to bleach or not the knots, but I personally bleach it, and this is the texture of the hair. I'm not gonna repeat myself. You guys already know what to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, so let me that's right. So let me tell you right now what I'm doing. I'm really just like putting foundation on my hair, my wig cap. Now I'm putting glue. Oh my god, whoa, this is too fast, guys. Just put glue on your forehead, not your hair, on your forehead. I repeat now, forehead. Okay. Oof. All right, so now we're gonna do the blow dryer. You feel me? Like the blow dryer. I don't know why I'm sounding like this. But if you guys hear like motorcycle, that's because I'm like doing this voice over at 5 a.m. Literally 5 a.m. You know, if you me, the hustle don't stop. I hope you guys never stop, for nobody. Right now, I'm cutting the lace. So what I do is I cut the lace in a zigzag line. I don't cut it straight. But my slow self didn't record this part. Like, disappointed me, well. Alright, well, let me tell you something. Do y'all hear my voice? It gets mad deep. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm just trying to glue the wig. No, hold up, I took it back. I lied. I was trying to measure if I wanted my forehead to look big today or not. Right now I'm putting foundation in the lace. You feel me? Foundation in the lace, it helps a lot. Honestly, it helps a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Oh my god. Oof. Yeah, it helps a lot. I personally would say for you to buy just like a fake foundation that match your skin, though you're not wasting your expensive blue foundation. I think I'm gonna start doing that because the one I have is MAC. Boom, let me tell you something. So right now, this is the moment, the hard part. This is the moment where I decide if I want my forehead to look big or not. I love this moment because I wake up, I said, don't want to look like who, like Rihanna, or do I want to look like who got a small forehead? I don't even know. Tinashe. I don't know. Like, I love wig. I love having a big forehead, a small forehead. For me, so I put the glue mess. So I put the wig on. For me, I'm just gluing right now. Boom. I blow dry again. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm just like pressing the lace into my scalp. You feel me? Like into my scalp, guys. Why did I say scalp? Into my forehead. But the lace blends in so good that it literally looks like a scalp. I'm not even lying to you guys. I feel like I'm talking too much. Damn. Alright, so this is the part what I really hate. The middle part or the side part. Like, I don't know if I'm slow. If I'm slow, it's fine. But like, I get anxiety by doing the middle part or side part. And this is every damn time. Like, bro, look at this. This one was fine, but I still feel like it wasn't in the middle. Guys, comment down below if it was in the middle or not. So I really feel like because I bleached the knots, I don't be plugging the hair no more. Honestly, like the middle part, I don't do that anymore. I feel like it's just useless because the hair looks already like it's plucked in the middle. Right now I go with the hot comb. You feel me? I be burning myself sometimes, but doesn't kill you, makes you stronger. Even okay, let me stop. So right now, the edges. This is the part that I like it, but I don't like it sometimes, because I feel like edges, everyone have their own style to do their edges. Oof, I feel like I'm talking too much, guys. Guys, ask me questions in my Instagram, guys. My Instagram is Parisfenty8. So right now I'm cutting my hair. Oh my god, I'm cutting my hair. I'm playing. I'm cutting the wig. You feel me? I'm cutting the edges. So this is the baby hair. This is what get. This is what get you guys in your DM. The baby hair. Like, even if you're bold like me, you know, I'm playing. But yeah, guys, honestly, we are on 49.8k, guys. Like, let's go, guys. I'm so excited. You guys don't understand. I'm honestly so excited. I don't know why I'm hype at this time, honestly. So right now we're gonna skip. We're gonna fast forward. Alright, boom. Let me hear. I mean, boom. Let me do something. Alright, boom. So right now I'm literally just cutting the hair, putting the moves. You feel me? Boom, 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 moose, 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 moose. Guys, do you guys like to work at night or just me? I feel like lately I just be working like around this time, like 6, 5, 8, 5 o'clock. Like that's the time when I'm really like productive. Productive. I'm sorry, productive. So right now I'm using my stick wig, I think, wax stick. Yeah, there you go, wax stick. So this is basically, you know, just to pull the hair back, so it shows a little bit of the, you know, the installation. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to go check it out. I honestly love this hair. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is my second. Okay, so guys, this is the final look. I hope that you guys like it. I'm gonna go out. I'll be right back to show you guys, you know, how the hair turned out. This is the texture of the hair after I done added, you know, some water. So yes, I'm going to a wedding. I will be taking pictures, you know. So yes, I'm a little bit excited, guys. Yeah, so bye guys.